Hi, this is Grace, and I am going to be showing you guys a PowerPoint presentation of places that I traveled to within the last 6 months. So the first one is Cabo. I went to this restaurant called Los Tamarindos. It's all organic, very delicious, highly recommended. I was there for an entire week with my family. Um, don't mind the background noise. I am currently at work trying to finish this assignment, so you might hear children in the background. Also, I went in July to New Orleans for about 3 weeks. It was more of a business trip. I sometimes do a few things for the Food Network, and we were filming in New Orleans, which their food is delicious there, and I would recommend. But this is one of the firehouses there, and I absolutely loved it, and I walked by it almost every day. Then I was in San Francisco. So this is one of those rooftop apartments, and we had a great view of the city. I went to Germany at one point. I was out there for about 10 days. Also want to go visit Amsterdam. And it's a gorgeous place. They have great beer too. Um, and then I went to Mexico City, which I had gone to Mexico City as a kid, but definitely going as an adult, you can appreciate the beauty of it. And this was a museum that we went to, and the art there is just gorgeous to be around, and you appreciate it more now as an adult. So that's my presentation. I've definitely learned, I think I'm getting a little bit better at this whole screencastic. And I think it's a great learning tool that we could potentially use with our students. And one of my professors has used it, and I was always wondering how she would use it. This definitely is something I can use in the future. Thanks.